This is NewFoundLove. This is Mama Widow, Mom Jasmine. Found a NewFoundLove. He's a giant boy, but he is very vicious and overprotective. I was there the other day on the water and he didn't like it. He said, "Get off this water, this is my water. I'm protecting my woman." And that's it. That's NewFoundLove. It's a giant buyo. Ah, yeah. When he first came here, he was pure white, but now he's got dirt on his head. Hello, Momshi. It's Mama Widow, Mom Jasmine. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Hello. Okay, bye-bye.